2026, and if you feel like artificial intelligence is everywhere, you're right. It's no longer just a cool tool, it's the engine running the global economy. Today, we're breaking down why AI has reached a fever pitch this year and why the demand is literally exploding. So, why is AI so powerful? Because it has moved beyond just answering questions. In 2026, AI is predicting outcomes. We're seeing generative AI 4.0 designing entire cities for maximum energy efficiency and personalized medicine that creates treatments unique to your DNA. It's the ultimate force multiplier for human intelligence. This power has led to an unprecedented explosion in demand. Every single industry, from your local farm using AI to monitor soil health to Hollywood studios using it for instant CGI, is scrambling to integrate these systems. In 2026, AI first isn't a slogan. It's a survival strategy for every business on the planet. And where there's demand, there's money. Big tech is pouring billions into the ecosystem. This has created a gold mine for content creators and developers. We're seeing high-paying sponsorships from tech giants looking for anyone who can bridge the gap between complex algorithms and the general public. If you can explain AI, you're the most valuable person in the room. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The question is, are you riding the wave or getting swept away? Let me know in the comments how AI is changing your world today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the future.